Greetings, everyone. My name is Tony Holowitz, and thank you for being here for this ACT tutorial. We are talking about the list view in ACT Premium Cloud. In an ACT Premium Cloud, if you want to send an email to multiple people, well, how do you do that? Well, right now we have a lookup. There's 8 people in this lookup. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the list view. When I click on the list view, I'll see all these contacts as a list. I'm going to click on the first one. I'm going to hold the Shift key down and click on the last one. And that selected all these contacts. Now, there's multiple ways you can select contacts. That's the way I traditionally do it if I want to get all of them. You can also select it using the tag mode as well. Now, how do you send an email? It's really quite simple. I'm going to go up and click on email. What will happen is behind the scenes, it's going to open up Microsoft Outlook. Here it is. Let me make this window a little wider. What I want you to notice, and this is very important, is that it took all the email addresses and put it in the to field. And I would never want to do it that way. I would want to send this blind carbon copy. So what I'm going to do is just click somewhere up here in the white area of the to field. And it just sort of tells Outlook, hey, I'm here. I'm going to do Control A to select all of those contacts. I'm going to cut them out of here using the keyboard shortcut, Control X to cut. I'm going to now go down to the blind carbon copy field and go Control V as in Victor to paste them all in. Now at this point, I can type in an email address, a subject, and I can also go down and put in the body. So body, you get the point. Subject, hi. And now when I hit send, it will send that email out, blind carbon copy, to all of those contacts. Now, one other thing, I'm going to close this. I'm not going to save this. But one other thing I want you to be aware of. If you do this right and you have the right settings done, what will happen is in ACT's last email field, which is right here, it will update it with today's date after you send that email. You have to have the ACT Outlook add-on installed or a secondary product that will do the same thing. There's a few different ones, but having said that, you will also record. So that's a great way to get a quick message out to people if you need to send an email to multiple people. You don't have to go through them one at a time. You don't have to copy and paste and put in Outlook. Use the list view to get an email out. I do it all the time. Okay, my friends, you have a great afternoon and be well. Thank you.